Hello. My name is Marcel Irnie, and this is my 2009 Duramax LMM with 115,000 kilometers. So I have like 72,000 miles on it, and I bought it at 15,000 miles. Every once in a while, I like to grab my Amsoil Interceptor or Dominator and throw her in the diesel tank to keep my injectors clean. Now, if you've seen my YouTube channel, you know that I had one injector number 5, go on me. And I changed the injector myself after much diagnosis. So many of the shops just were like, they really had no idea. Some were like, oh, it sounds like the bottom end, because the sound just echoes throughout the whole truck, even underneath, you know. And I thought it was like the flex plate was cracked, which connecting to the torque converter. So yeah, it was a huge hassle, and in the end I added Amsoil 2-stroke, and that was able to quieten up the motor where I could tell where the knock was coming from, because it was actually knocking on 5 and 8. I think it was 8, one on each side. And because I had the double knock going, it was just so difficult, super difficult to diagnose, because you know, if you unplugged one injector, or even on the computer you're reading it on the data, it's still knocking and still making noise. So adding the 2-stroke fixed one injector, and then I was able to diagnose the injector 5, replace that injector, and just unplug it, and the knock would go away, and then plug it back in, the knock is there, just touching the wire on the injector plug. And so now every once in a while, even though I do use Amsoil cetane boost and diesel concentrate, this goes above and beyond trying to clean out those injectors, lubricate. So anyways, I am Marcel Irnie, Amsoil. I am an Amsoil racer, rider, rep. I got into racing superbikes, and I did my research long ago. What was it? Back in 2006 to 2007 winter, I bought myself like a Kawasaki race bike from factory Team Kawasaki Canada. That was the 600RR. This is a little stock 400. But here's my actual race bike right now, which is, you know, the BMW S1000RR. And came across the mistruths of the industry. Just like so many industries, or almost all of them, when shareholders, corporations are involved, no accountability, no liability. You know, like right now with this medical tyranny going on, bullshit 19. So the term synthetic lost all meaning. There was a court case between Castrol and Mobil, because Castrol's like, we don't want to buy our chemically derived base stocks from Mobil anymore. We are going to just get some shell, some mineral oil, refine it more with hydrocracking, which is water processing. And they called it synthetic. Mobil sues them, and the judge determined that synthetic is a marketing term not based on its components. Sorry, it's really bright, my eyes, I got to squint. And so yeah, then the entire industry switched to mineral oil derived synthetics, except for Amsoil. The Amsoil, a family company, they invented synthetic motor oils, synthetic greases, synthetic 2-stroke fluids, synthetic gear oils. You can see I have like a whole bunch of Amsoil oil filters and such. And if we head back into the shop here, get some light in here, you can see I do keep a stock, mostly a personal stock. Gear oils, there's a Dominator, car oils, yeah, a whole bunch of goodness, right? And they make injector cleaner, there's the box anyways. And yeah, here's some, whoa, falling off. I got tires galore. Even a thing for my grandma in case of an accident. Here's my leather suits. anyways, let's get back out here. This is the shop bin. And so I got onto Amsoil just by when I got the first race bike and came across these mistruths. So, you know, they started putting asterisks behind it. It would say 100% synthetic asterisk, and you read on the back, asterisk, excluding mineral oil carrier oil. And don't be fooled ever by semi-synthetic. Never buy semi, you're just wasting money, because there's no rules on percentages. Even mineral oil derived synthetic and mineral oil non-synthetics, just the refining process, even a semi-synthetic is a mix And you know, you're gonna get 30% mineral oil refined synthetic, and the rest just really crude. So you're getting worse product. You're better off just buying one of each and mixing together. So don't buy them, period. So Amsoil synthetics, it's not expensive, $15 a quart. The most expensive is the gear oil, you know, up to 22, 24 Canadian per quart, by the way. But yeah, you change your oil once per year. There's a warranty, a good 15,000 mile severe service drain interval warranty for most vehicles, any stock engine, and up to 25,000 miles under normal service or 1 year with a warranty. I personally do oil analysis on my diesel, and that's why when I did an oil analysis, when I heard this knocking sound, I knew it wasn't the bottom end of the engine. There was no wear metals in my oil, and there wasn't excessive fuel dilution either, because it was actually under fueling that one injector number 5. Anyways, some food for thought, guys. Just wanted to give you some information. If you want to support the channel and support my racing and superbike and moto life, telling the truth always, you can get Amsoil on my personal website, Irnieracing.shopamsoil.com. Just search Marcel Irnie Amsoil, search Marcel Irnie, Irnieracing. You see the YouTube channels. You'll find me. I'm out there. I'm on Instagram, Irnieracing. Anyways, guys, Patreon, Irnieracing on Patreon. That's IRNIE, Ernie with an I. Peace. Boom.